Good morning, students. This is our 7th chapter, Fun with Paint, from where you have got already one video where I have discussed what is MS Paint, what are the parts of paint window, and what is the function of paint. Here we will start to learn about the basic tools which are used in MS Paint. First one, look at your book. It has given as pencil tool. So what is the function of pencil tool? Pencil tool is used to draw free form lines. So look on your screen. This is the pencil tool, looks like a pencil. If you click that, your mouse pointer will change to this icon. Then what the color is here already selected, like by default it is black color. If you wish, you can change the color. And by pressing your left mouse button, what you wish to draw, like with free form lines, it will be drawn on the screen by this pencil tool. Understood? Second one is curve tool. Curve tool is present in shape group. This is curve tool. This is curve tool. Click on this. So look, the pointer was like pencil and that pointer is like this way. First, whatever you wish to draw to any type of curve, first it will be a straight line. First it will be straight line. Then in which side you want to make it curve or bend, just place the pointer to that location and drag it to this way. See, if we wish to bend it to this side, drag your pointer to that way. Okay, by pressing left mouse button. Then after that, double click. If you press double click your left mouse button, the line will be fixed to this way. In this manner, what do I say? First you select the curve tool from shape group, then first it will be a straight line, then which side you want to bend your line, just place your mouse pointer to that side and press the left mouse button, drag the left mouse button to that side, and at last you have to double click your left mouse button to set it or to lock it. This is the function of curve tool. Third one is fill with color tool. What is the function of fill with color tool? This fill the color with a background, with a bordered pictures. Like here already I have drawn a shape which have only the outline is there, and inside to this outline, if you wish to enter the color, what you have to do? You have two options, color 1 and color 2. Where it is? It is inside in colors group. In colors group, you have two options, color 1 and color 2. Color 1 is used to give the foreground color and color 2 to the background color. So what you have to do? Pressing the first, you have to here select color 1 or color 2. Just select, it will be in blue color. Then select any color, suppose yellow. All should be done with left mouse button. One click. Then where you wish to give your color, this is fill with color tool. Click it where you wish to give your color, just inside that shape, inside that bordered line, just click. In this manner we can give foreground color. And how to give background colors? This is for background color. Nothing else, all processes are same. Just select now, color 2 have selected. Then select any color for color 2. And how to apply here? There you have to click left mouse button, here is right mouse button. By pressing your right mouse button, you can give to the color which is called here as a background color. Okay. So this is the way to use pencil tool, curve tool, fill with color tool. Suppose drawing have done. Drawing and done. Now I want to add text. You want to give your name to the picture. You want to give your name to the picture. So what to do? How to do? This is alphabet A. This is the symbol of text. Adding text. Click on this. Now look at that, the pointer has changed like capital I. Again hold your left mouse button and occupy the space from where you wish to add your text. Okay. As soon as if you drag and set your text positions, you will get some of the extra options like that way. Calibri, this is the style of writing. You can change the style of the writing. Then size, by default it is 11. You can increase or decrease the size of the text. Then you can make the text bold, italic, underline. You can make that text background opaque or transparent. These things have come automatically. So how to add text? Just press your mouse pointer, just press the keys to this way to type your name. And why it is coming, look at that, why it is coming yellow? Because of the foreground color here set as yellow. So I am changing it to black. Now start to write. In this manner, you can type text through your keyboard, and when everything is done, just click your left mouse button outside of that area. So that text has been fixed and saved to that location. So what you have learned in today's class, you have learned how to apply some basic tools like pencil tool, curve tool, fill with color tool, and adding text. So what you have to do now, you have to practice more to understand the things in this better manner. In the next chapter, we have some more tools we will learn, what we will learn in our next video class.